of starting my own bakery business. So no order yet. I don't have any order, but I'm still hopeful that I'm going to get something. But today I'm going to be perfecting my brownie recipe. Who doesn't like brownies? So I'm just cleaning my work table. It's a very simple recipe. I have all my ingredients. I have my powdered cocoa, flour, sugar, oil, and my butter. Melting my chocolate for the brownie. My chocolate, I'm pouring my chocolate. These are quality chocolate. Oil, so I'm going to put flour, oil, cocoa powder. Then I'll allow the chocolate to cool a little bit before I use it. While the chocolate mix is getting cool, I'm going to be mixing my eggs and my sugar. So I'm mixing my egg and my sugar. So I'm mixing it until it is very hairy and fluffy. So I have my chocolate. Gently. I love to get every bit of the chocolate in the pot. I'm not leaving any. So I stir gently. So now I add in my flour. I just fold it in gently. I'm done mixing all. So for now, I only need my baking tray and a baking sheet. You don't need to, for this one, I don't need to oil my pan. I'm going to pour my mix. So I'm transferring it now. I'm going to bake it now. For the brownies to finish baking, I do clean up. Oh, I don't like this part. So now I'm going to do a stick check to see if my brownies are ready. Smelling good. It's almost ready. I'll just leave it in for like 3 minutes more, then I will take it out. To get the best of any brownie, it's better to wait for the second day. So for this brownie that I've just baked now, I will not be cutting it in. If not, it will be very messy. So for me to get the best of it and to get a taste of it, I have to wait. You can wait for some hours, but I would prefer to wait till the next day, tomorrow. Then I'm going to be cutting this. I'll be leaving this now for overnight. So tomorrow I'm going to be cutting it, and I'll be taking pictures and making plan how to market my brownies. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me on this journey of starting a home business with me.